Hi there. In the last session, we could move the ball left to right in one-dimensional space, but this is not what we want. So we have to move the ball on the two-dimensional space. So let's go to the code. So this is X and Y is the ball's center, right? And this X direction is for the X axis only. So we have to make one more variable for Y axis, such as Y direction. So X direction is for the X axis, right? Y direction is for Y direction. So after declaring one variable, you have to initialize that, right? So Y direction equal, let's do plus 3, right? And then what do you have to do? You have to move the ball in Y direction too. So let's add one more sentence. Y equal Y plus Y direction. And then these two if statements is for the X axis, right? So left to and right boundary check. So we have to add two more if sentence to the upper boundary and down boundary, right? So let's add two more if statement. So if Y plus diameter divided by 2 equal 400. But the thing is, you need to remember the canvas size 600 400, right? 600 400. That's not a good way. So you could forget something. So in this case, let's change the 600 into width. So this red variable is a system variable, a variable, which means the processing has already declared the width variable. So width variable is the width of the canvas. Like that, you can use the height variable too. This is also a system variable for the canvas height. So you don't need to remember 600, 400 from now on. So this is the if body, right? So we have to change Y direction variable, right? Such as X direction 2 times -1. That's it. And let's add one more for the upper boundary. If Y minus diameter divided by 2 is less than 0, if body, and Y direction equal Y direction times -1. I think that's it. Are you sure? Yeah, I think so. So let's run once again. See, you can check the ball is moving on a two-dimensional space. Then let's change this code a little more. So we can change like this, right? But let's delete this field statement too. And let's declare one more variable, which is color. So we can use int variable, and in processing language there is another data type which says the color, which means the color, right? And ball color. And then in a setup function, let's initialize the ball color variable into sharp 000000. Actually, this sharp symbol means this number is hexadecimal. We're going to use the decimal number, right? Hexadecimal number use 0 to F symbol. So this 00 is red, the second 00 is green, and this is blue. So initially the ball is black, right? So after touching the right boundary, you could change ball color into yellow, which means sharp FF0. This is yellow. And if the touches the left side, let's change the ball color into red. This is red. If you want, you can add on this set statement in this body, in this body too, if you want. So let's run it once again. Oh, we missed something, right? So we have the ball color variable, but we didn't fill before drawing the ellipse. So let's add on here fill statement using all color. That's it. Let's run once again. See, that's what you want, right? Next time you are gonna make the racket down the canvas, so it is moved by the mouse direction, mouse position. So let's do it in the next session. Bye.